Watch how I go from this basic lock screen to this. I want to show you how to remove your background and style your clock on your lock screen. First, you want to hold down on your lock screen to edit your pages. Select the plus sign. Let's choose a photo from our photos library. To remove the background, turn off the live photo by selecting this icon here. Once this is turned off, you'll notice at the bottom there are options to swipe through the different backgrounds. We have a gradient backdrop, a seamless background. Let's change the color on this seamless background here. Select this circle here, and I want to find a color that really pops. Select your rainbow icon, and I like this pink color. Use your finger to slide on this scale to make it lighter or darker. Now, let's put some attention on the clock. Select your clock icon. If you'd like a larger clock, you do need to select the first font and color option here. From here, you can make it lighter or more bold-faced. You can also select a different color for your clock. Let's make this really pop by choosing a dark purple. I hope you learned how to enhance your lock screen by watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment on this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all of our tips, tricks, and tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.